Did your Lufthansa flight get delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't stress. You could be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll show you how to claim compensation for any disruptions with your Lufthansa flight using Compensair. Thousands of passengers trust Compensair to handle everything, making the entire process smooth and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Compensair. While you can search for it online, it's safer to use the official link provided in the video description to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the site, enter your Lufthansa flight details, such as your departure and arrival cities, flight number, and the date of your flight. You can find these on your boarding pass or in your confirmation email. Next, provide your personal details, your full name, email address, and any additional required information. Don't worry, Compensair ensures all your information is handled securely. After you've entered everything, review the details for accuracy, then hit Submit to process your claim. From here, Compensair will take care of the rest, managing communication with Lufthansa and working to secure your compensation. You can simply wait for updates from their team. Once your claim is successful, you'll receive an email notification, and the compensation will be transferred directly to your account. And that's it. With Compensair, claiming compensation for a delayed, cancelled, or missed Lufthansa flight is quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.